Hi everyone. This is advice to all bloggers, small bloggers like me. With my experience, I know. Just continue watching other people contents. Even if the person didn't follow you or did not subscribe you. Reels or Facebook or YouTube or TikTok, just continue watching. Eventually, if you watch like maybe 20 or 15 on that people, content creator or bloggers, eventually someone will give